Hi guys, what's up? What's up? Welcome to my vlog again. And the day is when there's Tuesday, November 18. So uh just going to rant some things in my head before everything else. Sorry for the lighting. No, I just want something, I guess. And I guess my thoughts right now is parang I'm feel lonely and depressed and doom scrolling again. And my patterns talaga of habits is really killing me inside. And I feel well kasi kakatae ko lang. Alam mo yun, kakatae ko lang na, alam mo yung feeling na yun. And I feel groggy. Groggy na magsalita, groggy gawin to, or kaya groggy mag-review. And especially baka dahil nag-jahol ako, parang gano'n. So doing this as a message again for my future self and also, ayun, like, it's been tough couple of weeks lately because finals na bukas. So, like, basa-basa lang yung ginagawa ko. Kumbaga, basa-basa lang naman sa akin. And I just feel like I'm wasting my time and especially my future. And a lot of my consuming of social media has really affected me somehow talaga. But then again, I'm still alive, thank God. Ayun, like, I just need someone to talk to, I guess, or someone out there to listen to me. But I'm tired of reaching out. I have this feeling of grogginess talaga, like yung inner self ko na I feel disgusted, within me na I can't reach out to someone. Well, I did go out. I walked the dogs and it made me feel a lot better somehow. But then again, I have to, relax. Relax lang, Manji. Alam mo yun, like, ganun nga, like, relax lang tayo. Ayun, like, I've been thinking a lot of, like, doing this, going outside, clubbing, um, you know, uh, basta yun, like, I want to be happy, pero I'm very anxious. Kumbaga, like, anxious ako what's gonna happen tomorrow sa exams ko sa social psychology and biopsychology and sa abnormal psychology na gusto ko lang makapasa. I just want to pasa. Gusto ko lang makapasa. And akala, like, college really hits differently talaga kapag complacent ka lang or kaya wala kang ginagawa kundi, ayun, like, you're not doing things that would benefit your academics. And right now, I feel afraid of failing again and again and again. And it's just, my emotions get the best out of me, and I feel like I've been consuming a lot of media that that really that really builds up my identity as a person of knowing what to do and knowing what to think or knowing what to say and what to consume. The toxic fuel has consumed me into thinking na kaya ko to, hindi na ako mag-review or kaya naging complacent ako. So, parang nandito ako ngayon, like, trying to get yung my thoughts and right, like, parang, kasi yun, like, yun, like, I'm just so fucked up. Like, I want to cry, I want to, Lord, paano ba to? Anong gagawin ko? Like, doing this kind of makes me feel at ease right now kasi nalalabas ko. And, but I have my guitar, I have my piano, like, I have ways to express myself, but not to the point that people would notice me. And yun na nga. And yet, ironically, I'm studying psychology, so I'm kind of diagnosing myself right now, but, or kaya nakikita ko na, ganito pala ako, pero, yun nga, it's really fucked up. And speaking of psychology and why I took it, kasi hindi ko talaga kilala sarili ko. And right now, when I'm seeing the concepts, the theories itself, I feel like I'm the type of person who's not going to listen. I'm not the type of person who's going to listen to a patient or a client that I would then suddenly be diagnosing in the future. So ang hirap niya or kaya maybe I'm just focusing on the wrong things and at the same time, I'm really just so much alone and especially when it comes to relationships, when it comes to talking to girls, I'm really a fucking asshole na ginaghost ko lang sila, hinahayaan ko lang sila yung fade ng conversation, tapos I'm a very cryptic guy at the same time, like, ang hirap, pero I just need to go out, I guess. Ayun na yun. Sa aking comfort zone or kaya ganito, like, I have the right tools, I have the right things, but I'm not utilizing the tools that I'm doing right now, that I'm having right now, especially how blessed I am. Like, binabalewala ko lang. I don't think, I just don't think na parang, alam ko na binabalewala ako. Alam ko na like parang, iniisip ko na, basta yun, like, nahihirapan na ako. Or kaya, nga, like, ayun. Yeah, I guess, it's one thing to talk to yourself and it's another thing to talk to a person. And I feel like, I just feel like na, na I really need to get out talaga. Ayun, ayun lang naman sa akin, like, I have my hat here. Oh, where's my hat? I bought some clothes, I guess, or new things. Alright, I guess that's about it. Again, thank you for this. Thank you, Najid, for doing this. I'm really proud of you, of how far you come. Like, you're 23 na, and napapansin ko na you're starting to see how much you want to take responsibility sa buhay mo or be accountable, but you don't know how, you don't know where to start. And it's really fucked up. Kasi may pride kang tao. Alam mo yun? May pride kang tao. And you really blame other people and it's gotta stop. It's really gotta stop. It's really gotta stop, bro. Ayun, like, yun lang yung sa akin. Like, uh, ninayos ko lang sana na makabait ka na, makinig ka lang. How I wish to see about about how much really I am working so hard or kaya my efforts or kaya yung the tendency of not giving up and the principles that you have, put it in your heart, not because what other people said it would be good and what's right for you, but find your spark, find your find your true passions, your creativity, your intelligence. And I really love you, Najin, and I hope you find the right people. But then again, how can you find the right people kung nasa bahay ka lang, di ba? Okay, yun lang naman. Thank you so much for doing this again. I love you. I love you so much, bro. I hope I hope to see you successful in the future. Peace, yo, peace.